begin our journey to the world. Listen to Luigi, and soon we will be hungry in the holidays.
You're gonna be right next
Best
to
of
me.
all.
You ready?
Well, look at the lights. Yes, sir.
It's more than I thought. Let's see who else we can see. Oh, we're on another.
One time I was single rider and I was in the middle.
There was only like one in the middle.
Yeah.
Why is it all raggedy right now? Where's Kaylin?
Joey! Whoa! Daddy, scream!
We're gonna turn around. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah! That's it. Thank you.
That was good.
That was awesome. Okay. Yeah!
You got it?
Oh, there we go.
There it is.
You first, my princess.
Wonderful, my friends.
Shall we go, my
All of my
queen?
cousins, they are so excited to celebrate the season. Therefore, quickly choose a cousin and step carefully inside so the holiday dance can begin.
Oh, yeah, he had him in his pocket and was poking out, and then I poked out his pocket.
Can you let me scream into what?
Whoa, whoa,
For
whoa.
your safety, fasten your seatbelt and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs